Introducing the 1966 Ford Fairlane 500, a true American classic with timeless muscle car appeal. This example features the original C-Code 289 V8 engine paired with a column-shift automatic transmission. It has manual steering and brakes, with the air conditioning removed. The engine and transmission perform well, making this a promising project car. The body was repainted 2 years ago and had minimal rust, which was properly repaired using 18-gauge steel. While not perfect, it remains a solid foundation for a full restoration. This Fairlane rides on new 15x7 torque thrust D wheels with steelies in the rear, complemented by fresh tires. The R-Code hood scoop adds to its aggressive stance. The interior retains its original seats, which are in good shape. While the windshield is cracked, the other glass is intact. A new starter is included, but not yet installed. This Fairlane comes with a clean Oklahoma title and is ready for a dedicated enthusiast to bring it back to its former glory. If you're interested in a strong project car with muscle car heritage, check out the link for more details. Next up, we have a 1968 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, a stylish and powerful classic that boasts a 429 Ci V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission. Its deep purple exterior is paired with a black leather interior, giving it a sleek and aggressive look. Though this Thunderbird has been sitting for a while, it still fires up and runs, though it could benefit from a tune-up and fresh fuel to bring it back to top performance. The brakes and suspension remain tight, ensuring a solid driving experience. The body has a few dings, including one on the driver's rear quarter panel and another on the passenger side rocker, with a missing trim panel. The interior is largely original, with the exception of an aftermarket radio. While the headliner needs attention, the rest of the cabin is in good shape. With some TLC, this Thunderbird has the potential to be an outstanding classic cruiser. If you're looking for a vintage coupe with style and power, follow the link for more details. Presenting the 1960 Ford Thunderbird, an iconic luxury coupe with timeless styling. This classic features a powerful V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, offering smooth and effortless cruising. Its white exterior is complemented by a beige interior, creating a refined look. This Thunderbird runs well and remains in good condition overall, though it will require some restoration to bring it to its full potential. New tires have been installed, ensuring a stable ride. Some rust is present, making it an ideal candidate for a classic car enthusiast looking for a rewarding project. If you're searching for a stylish American classic with a solid foundation, this Thunderbird is worth a closer look. Check out the link for more details. Here is a rare find. A 1962 Ford Contour GL sedan, a one-owner vehicle that has been well cared for over the years. This classic sedan is finished in an attractive blue exterior with a contrasting white interior, making it a standout choice for vintage car enthusiasts. It is powered by an automatic transmission and runs on petrol. With a history free of significant damage and all financial obligations settled, this Contour represents a great opportunity for restoration or preservation. If you're looking for a solid classic with a clean history, be sure to check out the link for more details. Introducing the 1962 Imperial Crown Hampton, rare and elegant classic that exudes luxury and prestige. This Arizona-sourced vehicle runs, drives, stops, and starts, making it a fantastic foundation for restoration. It features a new 4-barrel carburetor, distributor, and fresh white wall tires mounted on powder-coated wheels. A 2-inch tow hitch receiver with electric brakes has been added, making it ideal for towing. While light paint has been applied to protect the body, it does not hide the vehicle's originality. The seats have been newly recovered, though the carpet, headliner, and door panels still require attention. Once fully restored, this Imperial's value will rise significantly. If you're looking for a rare and elegant cruiser with great potential, follow the link for more details. Next, we have the 1962 Studebaker Larkwagon, a unique and stylish classic that is ready to hit the road. This well-preserved wagon features an inline-six engine paired with a rare automatic transmission. Recent updates include a new fuel system, brakes, carburetor, and a 12-volt charging system, ensuring reliable performance. It runs, drives, and stops as expected, making it a great choice for vintage car enthusiasts. The Lark's distinct design always turns heads, making it an excellent conversation piece at car shows. If you're searching for a solid and dependable classic with plenty of charm, check out the link for more details. Presenting the 1963 Chevrolet Impala, a classic American full-size sedan that continues to captivate enthusiasts. This Impala is powered by an automatic transmission and finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior. With only 2 previous owners, this vehicle has been well maintained over the years. It does require some minor work, including a new manifold and wheel bearing. The interior retains its classic appeal with an Impala-themed design, offering a nostalgic driving experience. If you're searching for a classic cruiser with undeniable presence, check out the link for more details. Up next, we have a 1963 Dodge Dart GT convertible, a budget-friendly project car with plenty of potential. This running and driving classic features an automatic transmission and a solid drivetrain. It has received several new parts, but it will need additional restoration work, including floor repairs and a new top. The quarter panel also has some damage. Despite these needs, it remains a promising project for a dedicated enthusiast. If you're looking for an affordable vintage convertible to restore, check out the link for more details. Introducing the 1965 Ford Galaxy 500, a classic full-size sedan that delivers vintage American style. This Galaxy runs well and was intended to be a project car, but the owner is unable to continue its restoration. Finished in a stunning turquoise exterior with a matching interior, it stands out with its classic color combination. This vehicle offers a great starting point for a restoration or customization project. If you're looking for a reliable classic that just needs a bit of love, check out the link for more details. Here is a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, an excellent running project car with a lot of potential. This Texas auction vehicle includes all necessary documentation for titling. It features a small block Ford engine with performance upgrades, including a high-performance cam, Edelbrock intake, new electronic distributor, rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor, and full exhaust with headers. The Champion aluminum radiator ensures optimal cooling. Additional parts include a new, uninstalled, headliner and extra components stored in the trunk. While the body requires attention, this Mustang has the foundation for an incredible classic restoration. If you're looking for a project with strong bones and high-performance potential, follow the link for more details. Introducing the 1966 Ford F-250, a rugged and unique classic truck that has been modified to feature a 1950s step-side oak bed. This Ford retains its original 4-speed manual transmission and is powered by a straight-six 350 engine, ensuring a balance of durability and power. With a striking blue exterior, this truck runs and drives well, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or customization. Whether you're looking for a dependable work truck or a show-worthy classic, this modified F-250 presents a solid foundation. Check out the link for more details. Next up, the 1966 Oldsmobile Cutlass, presented in ocean mist green with a matching green interior. This four-door classic is powered by a 330 V8 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a recently rebuilt quadrajet carburetor for smooth performance. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, it offers comfort alongside its vintage appeal. New gas tank, Kragar wheels with the original wheels and hubcaps included, and a fresh tune-up add to its appeal. While it has some rust in certain areas, this Cutlass is a running, yard-driven classic with solid restoration potential. Check the link for full details. Here is a 1967 Chevrolet Bel Air, a four-door roller ready for parts or a complete rebuild. This project car comes with a clean title and several new components, including a radiator, front disc brake setup, and high-performance rear end. It also features rear coilover racing slicks and a full set of matching rims. The interior is mostly intact, except for the missing rear door panel. While the body has some rot, it remains a solid candidate for restoration. If you're seeking a budget-friendly classic with great potential, check out the link for more details. Introducing the 1967 Ford LTD, a full-size classic with an automatic transmission. The exterior bodywork is in excellent condition, with all trim intact. However, the engine is seized, making this a true project car for someone willing to restore it. The interior remains mostly good but has a cracked dash, torn rear seat, and carpet damage from water leakage. Rust is present in the trunk floor and around the rear windshield. With a clean title but not in the seller's name, this LTD is a solid restoration project. Click the link for further detail. Here is the 1967 Ford Galaxy 500, a well-maintained classic featuring a powerful 390 V8 engine, Edelbrock carburetor, and intake manifold. It has an aluminum radiator, C6 transmission, and a posy rear end. While it runs and drives, it may need a brake booster. The frame is in great condition, and the tires are like new. Some electrical work is needed, including repairs to the stereo, interior lights, and wiper motor. The paint has some wear, but this is a solid project car with great potential. A custom-fit car cover is included. Check out the link for more details. Presenting the 1967 Ford GT, a classic muscle car featuring its original 289 automatic engine, power steering, and power brakes. This vehicle retains a solid full frame and suspension, with a drivetrain in good condition. It requires floor panel replacements but is structurally sound. The seller has a deep connection to this model and plans to drive it in the summer. If you're looking for a restoration project with a great platform and strong mechanicals, this GT is a perfect candidate. More details are available in the link. Up next is the 1967 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, a well-preserved classic that starts and runs with an automatic transmission. This Thunderbird needs brake work, but is otherwise in running condition. Featuring a stylish white exterior with a green interior, this coupe is perfect for those who appreciate vintage luxury and performance. With its powerful engine and timeless design, This Thunderbird offers a great starting point for a full restoration. Check the link for more information. Introducing the 1967 Lincoln Continental Coupe, a rust-free classic featuring a 462 CI V8 engine. This vehicle runs and drives, though the brakes require attention to be roadworthy. With its clean title and timeless styling, this Continental is an ideal candidate for a complete restoration. If you're looking for a solid luxury classic with great potential, this is the perfect opportunity. Follow the link for full details. Next up, the 1967 Plymouth Sport Fury, featuring a classic 383 V8 engine and automatic transmission. The vehicle was running last year, but has not been started in recent months. It comes with numerous engine updates and some additional parts included. This Sport Fury has great potential for a full restoration or a custom build. If you're looking for a vintage Mopar project, check out the link for more details. This 1968 Buick LeSabre Custom Sedan is available strictly for parts. If you're searching for hard-to-find classic Buick components, this vehicle provides a valuable source of original parts. The seller has an extensive inventory of cars and parts, making this a great opportunity for restoration enthusiasts. Check the link for more details. Presenting the 1968 Chevrolet Bel Air, rare factory A/C model with an Impala body style. This Bel Air is in great shape, with its original floors and trunk pan intact. The body is solid, and all windows roll up and down smoothly. It sits on 15 by 8 rally wheels and comes with a clean title. This classic Chevy is an excellent candidate for a restoration project or a daily cruiser. Click the link for more details. Here is the 1968 Chrysler New Yorker, a full-size luxury sedan powered by a 440 V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning, this classic Chrysler is built for comfort. It runs and drives well, with new brakes recently installed. If you're looking for a vintage luxury sedan with strong mechanicals, check out the link for full details. Introducing the 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe, featuring an original 302 V2 engine. This Mustang is currently non-running and will need to be towed. It has minimal rust on the exterior, though rust underneath and on some frame parts will require repair. A full restoration is needed, making this a great project for Mustang enthusiasts. Every part for this model is readily available, ensuring a straightforward restoration process. Follow the link for more details.